Hey guys! In today's video, we'll create this stunning product ad poster using AI and Canva. So, let's begin. First, open ChatGPT. Add your product image. Copy this prompt to create floating product photography. Now, choose Create Image. Paste the prompt. Click the arrow. ChatGPT will create a scene based on your product. Download the image. Next, add this generated image to ChatGPT. Now, we'll use this second prompt to create a glossy sphere product scene. Copy the entire prompt. Choose Create Image. Again, paste it into ChatGPT. Click the arrow. Download the image. After that, open Canva. Choose Custom Size. Set the canvas size to 1080 by 1350 pixels. Upload the image created by ChatGPT. Add it to the canvas. Expand it to fill the background. Now add a heading. Type your brand name. Go to Fonts. Search for Canva Sans. Select Canva Sans Bold. Set the font size to 100. Change the text color to white. Next, add a subheading. Type your product name. Go to Fonts. Choose Canva Sans Medium. Set the font size to 20. Set the letter spacing to 425. Now, add a tagline. Choose the regular font style. Set the font size to 25. Place it at the bottom of the canvas. Adjust the line spacing. Next, add another text element. Apply the curve effect. Adjust the curve angle. Position the text around the sphere. After that, go to Elements. Search for up to 30% off. Open the Graphics section. Add this graphic. Adjust its size. Place it on the small sphere. Change its color. Next, search for Order Now. Add this graphic. Place it below the offer. Change the text color to white. Our ad poster design is ready. Let's zoom in. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.